Hello and welcome to my Portuguese course outline. Now, I do not actually speak Portuguese, but I can still help you with regards to learning regular and irregular Portuguese verb conjugations. And this course will only consist of lessons that teach Portuguese verb conjugations. So let's take a look. Unit 1 covers regular verb conjugations under the present, imperfect, preterite, future, conditional, present subjunctive, imperfect subjunctive, future subjunctive, the imperative mood for commands, and present and past participles. Unit 2 covers irregular conjugations under the present, imperfect, preterite, future and conditional, present subjunctive, the imperfect and future subjunctive, irregular commands under the imperative mood, and irregular past participles. There are no irregular present participles in Portuguese, so you don't need to worry about that. We have certain verbs with multiple irregularities, accented irregulars, and irregular prefix verbs. And Unit 3 will simply review all regular verb conjugations and participle formations, as well as all irregular verb conjugations and participle formations. And that sums up the lessons of this relatively brief Portuguese video series. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.